Hello people, I am inside my Canva account, and as you know, Canva has really nice website templates. These are some of the website templates. Now, I've chosen this hotel website template by Canva, and I am going to convert this template into a fully editable WordPress website in less than 30 seconds, with just one click. I have already published my Canva website, and here is the URL of the website. So let me just open it and see what it looks like. This is the Canva website that I'm going to clone or convert to WordPress. To clone or convert this Canva website template to WordPress, I'm going to use the Clone2WordPress Chrome extension, which I already have installed here. This is it. What I'll do now is simply click the extension, and as you can see from the cursor, it is asking me to click to capture. So I will just left-click my mouse, and then it will copy the design of the Canva website. The site has been copied. Now I'll go inside my WordPress backend and add a new page. I'll name my page something simple like Hotel. Then I'll add a new paragraph and paste the code that I copied. The code is the Canva website design that we used the Clone2WordPress extension to copy. And that is what I've pasted inside WordPress. I've gone ahead and published the page, so let's see how it looks on the front end. Okay, so this is the Canva website template, now converted into a WordPress website with just one click using the Clone2WordPress extension. And if we go back into WordPress, we can see that we can edit everything in this template. For example, I can change welcome to something like hello customer, and also edit the Grand Resort and Spa text. As you can see, everything is fully editable. Now, there are two ways to convert your Canva website to WordPress using the same Clone2WordPress extension. Let me head over to the original Canva website and show you. We know that websites are made of sections and individual elements. This text here is an element. The background image is also an element, and here they are all inside a section. So we can convert a Canva website to WordPress either section by section or convert the entire Canva website at once. What we did initially was convert the website's hero section. Now we're going to convert the entire website at a go. To do that, you come here to this box and click. When you click, it gives you two options: either capture all content within the page or capture only specific elements. We've already seen how to capture specific elements in a section. Now we are going to capture all content within the page, and that will allow us to clone or convert the entire website or web page at once. So I'll choose that, and then click Capture Page. As you can see, Clone2WordPress is capturing the entire website. All right, now that our design has been copied, let's head over to WordPress and paste the new code of the Canva website we just copied. I'll set the page to full width, and then save. Now let's view the page on the front end and see the changes. As you can see, this looks amazing. This is the entire website from Canva, now inside WordPress and fully editable. Everything has been converted, and everything is fully editable. This is the Clone2WordPress product page. If you would like to use it, you'll have to use the link in the description to get it from this page. The Clone2WordPress extension uses the WordPress Gutenberg editor. If you would like to use Elementor, you can go for the Clone2Elementor extension. You can find the tutorial on that on our channel. Click the link in the description of this YouTube video to get the Clone2WordPress extension now.